Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the chain on your chainsaw, first make sure the chainsaw's engine has cooled. Next, release the top cover clips and lift the cover off. Remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the chainsaw from accidentally starting. Now remove the nuts securing the clutch cover. Pull the cover off. Remove the chain bar and pull off the old chain. Install the new chain by aligning it on the chain bar. Make sure the teeth on the chain are facing towards the front end of the chain bar on the top and away from the front end on the bottom. Loop the chain onto the clutch sprockets as you align the chain bar on the mounting bolts. To replace the cover, the chain tensioner will need to be inserted into the hole in the chain bar. You'll probably need to rotate the tension adjustment screw counterclockwise to properly align the tensioner. With the cover in place, hand tighten the nuts. Now lift the bar and rotate the adjustment screw clockwise until there is no slack in the chain. Fully tighten the nuts and confirm that the chain is taut. Attach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the top cover and secure it with the clips.